How to hide your liked reels in friends' feed on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this guide, we'll explain how to hide your liked reels from appearing in your friends' feed on Instagram. So let's just get started. So let's start by opening up Instagram. And the important truth is, Instagram does not currently offer such toggle option to hide your liked reels from friends completely. But however, you can reduce the visibility and you can try out these methods for that. So go to your profile for that. And once you are headed over to profile, look out for the menu option in the top and then go to your settings and privacy. Within settings and privacy, we can look out for the option called your activity and tap on it. And there we can turn off show likes and activity if visible. You can just go over and find that option if that option is available for interactions that shows your likes and activity if visible. You can turn it off. If you do not see this option, that means it is not available for your account yet. Apart from that, you can switch your account to private, which is the most effective option available. So for that, within your settings itself, go to your settings in the top, the menu, and from there go to the account privacy section. Under who can see your content, you can tap on account privacy. And within there, just go over and turn this option on for account privacy. This one right here, make it private. After that, switch to private, and once it is in, you can just go over and it is best option for privacy focused users. You can use this option available. And those two are probably the method you can follow up if you want to hide your liked reels in friends feed. Also, you can avoid engaging with the reels you do not want other people to be seen. You can just go over and turn it off and avoid liking sensitive reels. Use save instead of like. Watch it without interacting, and that should probably control the thing that you're trying to control. And that's it. So usually those are the method you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and